Welcome back to another video. I'm your host today of CAD4U, Teo Gammons. Today I just want to do a little more in-depth use of Tinkercad owned by Autodesk. So we're just going to get started. So for today's basics, I know we did a little bit last week for just like, simple nameplate and all that. Today we're just going to get a little more advanced. So we're going to take the same tool. Once you go to Tinkercad, create your account, log in, create new tool. We'll use the box, and the box I'm going to set to this blue right here. Actually, no, it's kind. I want to make something bright. Let's do this tan. If you're able to drag it out, perfect. Let's make it quite a bit lower. Right about there. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Actually, I'm gonna make it a little bit more narrow. Here we go. I want to make a name tag. We're gonna make it say. Let's make it say cat, just because it seems legit. Yellow. Scoot it over here with the arrow keys. Okay, it's way too big. Let's lower it and raise it back out. I think right there's probably good. Okay, this new tag, I want to make it as a whole. A little bit smaller. Right about there. Now we have an indentation going into this. And I also want to make, let's do this one. This a keychain. Right about there seems good. I think. Yeah, it looks pretty centered. Then drag this straight down to about there. And now we have our first simple design. So what we do is export. Actually, I'm going to rename it first to S tag. And we're going to export it. And I'm going to export it as an STL. Then I'm going to go over here and I'm just going to double click and it'll automatically open up my slicer. So for next week's video, I'm going to be talking about multiple careers. So stick around for that. We'll be talking about some architectural jobs, some engineering jobs, quite a few jobs. So here we are, and as you can see, our design came out nice and well. We got a hole for the string or tag to go through. It's relatively centered. And then we've got indentations that say CAD. So yeah. And we could slice it right out. And it'll take 50 minutes, which I'm probably going to print just to show. I plan actually to make something that hang on my wall. So I might put two holes on the side so I can just do, like a nail hanging it from the wall. If I could just make it a tad bit bigger. An hour and 7 minutes. Okay, I don't necessarily like how thick it is. There we go. And we'll do snap scaling now. Or not snap scaling, uniform. So it may not be equal, but trying to make it at least an hour and 16 minutes will be good. Okay, for this I'm not going to use a C, pretty much, yeah, we're going to do that, 68, so actually do this to 70. I don't want support. Adhesion, I'm just going to turn that to none. And then I can close this, oh yes, I want that at 20%. There we go. Let's just slice it and see how much it'll take. Hour 15 minutes. Oops. did it just, yeah, we're good. So, yeah, there we go. 9 grams, 3.1 liters of filament. It's pretty good. So, let me go grab my SD card real quick. Okay, I got my SD card in now. As you can see, it says save to removable. So it'll save to whatever you have plugged in. And you can rename it over here. So I'm just going to name this CAD keychain. So I know what it is when it's in my list. There we go. So yeah, we'll see if this works out. We can even see layer by layer if we wanted to. 17 layers. Well, there's more than 17, I think. It just says 17, and we can see it start from the start. This is roughly the speed the printer will print it at. So yeah, it'll be pretty cool. Alright, so let's save to removable drive. Now we can eject it. Hold on, I just want to see monitor. I think for this you need to be able to add a printer that's connected to the internet. I gotta remember how to do that, but I'll make a video about that if you guys are interested. So actually, for my viewers I've got, how about if you guys want to try this, you guys go to tinkercad.com, sign in, create an account, design something, and then email me your design, and I'll feature it in my next video, or my next video where I 3D print something. That'll be some ways so we can get some communication and some viewer, content maker creativity. So we'll be able to see what you guys have in mind. You can make a nameplate, you can make whatever, just let's try to keep it original. So don't use websites like, for example, we have Thingiverse, which is a very nice website to find pre-made, pre-designed parts, which you can get almost anything on here. So you could be like I don't know, a car, and you'll find thousands of car parts and models. I'm going to print this, and I'll show you guys in the next video. So, hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. Hey, guys, I forgot to mention this, but make sure to check out my Instagram page. It's what we said in one of the last videos. It's going to be 3D_4_free, so 3D_4_FREE. So go check out my Instagram there. Also, go check out my website. It's going to be on the description of the last video. I can't remember right now, but I'll put it in the description of this video. Tinkercad will also be linked down below. So, yeah, guys, just send me an email with your file. I'll print it for you. No problem at all. Just you know, get some more creativity in the channel. And also, if you guys want to let me know how I'm doing in the comments, how you guys feel about this. It's very helpful. So, thank you, and have a nice day.